Hi class, today we will do a facial for oily skin and we will do a facial with the mask and extraction. I sanitize my table, I put the towel on the top, and then to my setup, I have the hair cap already, okay? I have a facial cleanser, stringent exfoliation, massage cream, and moisturizer. And I have a mask here, okay? And I have a water to be ready. Include to my setup, I have a sponge, and I have the makeup remover, the wet towel, steam, round cotton pad, the gauze that I will use, and also a container of water, spatulas, mash brush, facial brush, and 4 towels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is the one that you put it on the table. So everything is set up. I sanitize my hands. I check the skin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I get my headband and the cup. I throw this in the trash bag that you need to have already in your setup, because this is for the safe word setup. After you hold that, you sanitize your hand. Put the cup. You put your headband. Be sure if you see some plastic out, you tuck it in. Pretend that's your hair. Fix it. And then the first thing you're gonna do is you clean the eyes. Get the spatula. Get a little bit. You close. Apply to your finger. You toss this to your truss. And you start with the eye. Circular motion. Circular twice. Okay? And then you get your makeup remover. Going out. Inside and out. Then you toss this in the truss. Go to the other one. Circular movement. Be sure you don't put anything in the client inside the eye. Hold the skin. Makeup remover again. Going up. In and out. In and out. Then you go to the lips. Circular motion. You can wipe your hand. And you get hold the skin taut, stop in the middle of the lips, hold the skin, if your garbage is kind of pulling, you need to fix it. The garbage is kind of falling down, you need to fix it. Then sanitize your hand. After you cleanse the eyes and the mouth, you go to the second cleansing. You're gonna clean the whole face. You close this. Apply, trust, dot, 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 dot. Warm it up. Clean the neck. The nose, the size of the nose. Go to the temple, forehead, bridge of the nose, clean it, going up, and then with the temple in your hand. And this time you're gonna use this sponge. I have 2 sponges in here. Going up, clean the neck. And then you toast this in the truss. Then you get your toner. You don't need any more cleansing cream, so toast this to be disinfected. And then you get your cotton round. Put and squeeze and close. And apply a toner. There. Now you will scrub the face. You apply the scrub first so that you can clean all oil that is stuck in there before you do the extraction. Close. Throw in the garbage. Apply, 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 apply. You don't put anything in the neck when you do this scrub. Apply spread. Then clean your hand. Then you open your water. Then you get your big iPad. Dip your water. And you start in the jawline. Cover the necessary protection to your client, the eyes, the ears, the eyes again. You go back to the eyes. You protect the client by getting a scrub to the eyes, the ears, to the mouth. Do it twice. In reality, you do this scrub with a steam in 5 minutes. Gently, gentle. And then you end it in the temple. You put this in the to be disinfected, and you get your towel, warm towel. Put this in the truss. Test this. Test your warm towel. Make a butterfly. Remove this scrub. Turn your towel so that's not gonna scatter on the client face. You need to soften in the blackhead so that you can do the extraction. Then wrap your hand. Be sure you don't have any scrub left. And put this in this linen. Then you want to be sure you check your client. If they have any scrub in there, wipe it. Then check everything's fine. Then you're gonna, the exfoliation product need to be put it away. Include the water container. You put this into the to be disinfected, and this one is to truss. Then sanitize your hand. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the extraction. You cut the tissue and you put round in your finger. You're just pretending, but you go to the flow and you put the stringent on it. Close. And then you pretend You extract, wipe, pinch it together, wipe. Then you do here, pinch it together, wipe, pinch it together, wipe. As soon as you're done, you will go to the massage area. If you want to skip the massage and do the mask, you can do that. But I want to show you the massage so that you have a complete facial for this. So I'm gonna get the massage cream. Apply. Press. Dot, 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 dot. Warm it up. Massage cream. Spread. Before you start, you spread. Then we will do 5 different kind of massage. This include the motor points with effleurage movement. You start with the muscle and nerve for the face of the client. Neck is 2 times. 1, 2. Don't lift it up your finger like this. You need to glide it. 1, circular motion, glide. 2, going up, slide underneath the ear. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to the corner of the mouth. 1. Top of the mouth. 2. In the cheekbone, underneath the cheekbone. 3. Slide in the corner of the nose. 4. That's all the nerve. Then slide in the top of the nose, in the bridge of the nose, in the socket of the eyes, gently, in the other side of the eye, in the temple, in the eyebrow ends, the eyebrow arch, the corner of the eyebrow socket. Then you go to the middle of the in the top of the ears, in the middle of the ears, underneath the ears, slide it down, then go back again. Do that twice. So 1, 2, slide 1, 2, 3, 4, lightly, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the middle of the ears, 11, top of the ears. Go to the corner of the nose, top of the nose, bridge of the eyes, eye socket, the corner of the eyes, the temple, the corner of the eyebrow, the eyebrow arch, the eyebrow in the by the side of the eyes, and then go slide it down, and you go the effleurage. 1. Circular movement. You do this 3 times. 2. Effleurage. Go here, another effleurage. This issue number 3. Slide it down, go to the middle of the eyebrows, then you pinch 1, 2, 3. This is the petrosage. Round it, petrosage, 2, petrosage, 3, petrosage. And then you go to the middle of the ear. Friction. Friction, slide. Friction, slide is your 3rd time. Friction, slide. Go to the side of the mouth. Friction, slide. Friction, slide. Slide. Then you go to the middle of the chin. Then you go to percussion. Percussion, circular movement. Percussion. Then you go to effleurage. And then you will do the friction. Friction, petrosage. Or you can do it like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Do this. This is percussion. Effleurage again. And you do the tapotement. And then you end up with effleurage, slow movement. You start with effleurage, you end it with the effleurage movement. Then you go to tempo, friction, then end it, and then you remove your you massage with a tissue. Then after you remove with the tissue, then you apply, we apply the mask. You need the gauze. Usually the gauze have a hole, but this one I did not put any because it's too wavy. Okay, so just don't put anything in the client's eyes and mouth. So we put the product here. I think this is about right. You need to do it like a paste. It's not supposed to be watery. So you start in the neck. Especially when you put the product, especially the one that you do the extraction on. Wash your hand. Okay. So the mask, you have different kind of mask, gel mask or the seaweed mask, and also mask for oily skin. So what we do now, After this, the mask is supposed to be dry, and wait for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. After you do that, after you wait, then you remove it. And throw this in the trash. And then you will get the sponge and use this sponge to remove the mask. Or you can use a steam towel. Sanitize your hand. Take it up. I think this steam towel is better. Then, so, and then you clean it with a sponge. And get the tissue. Be sure. The massage script you need to dispose to be disinfect, and then you put the toner. Then you put the toner. Okay, then you put your moisturizer. Okay, that's it. That's your facial with a mask with oily skin.